Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 10. We are dealing with the story of 100 Dresses by Esther. We are now seeing about a new character. The one of the two children, that is Peggy and Madeline, were the one who were going on asking about the dresses, hats, number of hats, number of chappals she had. And now to Wanda Petronsky. Now we are coming to learn more about Maddie, that is Madeline. Why Madeline is embarrassed, why Madeline is not joining in all the things that is said by Peggy. Let's find out. Because Peggy herself is using someone else's dress which is being given by someone. Sometimes when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in that mocking, polite voice, Maddie felt embarrassed and studied the marbles in the palm of her hands, rolling them around and saying nothing herself. Never does she open her mouth to express anything regarding the way who Peggy speaks. She is not able to control Peggy. But from herself she never utters anything. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda exactly. She would never have paid attention to Wanda if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. What is it called? If Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. But suppose Peggy and all others started in on her next. Okay, what will happen next if it is Peggy and all will start the game like what dresses, who gave this, who used the dress and gave it to me, to Madeline. What will happen to Madeline? Maddie. She wasn't as poor as Wanda. Of course poor, but not as poor as Wanda. Perhaps, but she was poor. Of course she could have more sense than she had 100 dresses. Of course she would have more sense than to say that she had 100 dresses. Still, she would not like for them to begin on her. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. The paragraph very clearly illustrates that Maddie had never been liking this particular activity of Peggy making fun of Wanda Petronsky regarding the dresses she has, how many hats she has, how many shoes she has. Because in reality, Madeline is not so poor as Wanda, but she is also economically poor status, and dresses which she wears are very much being given by somebody else. Okay, she always felt if Peggy, this dress game which she is playing with Wanda, why not if she may play it with her also tomorrow, will she be able to cope up? She always felt. Okay, she was only happy that she did not have a funny name and she did not have a like Wanda, and she would not tell anybody that she has 100 dresses. But always the deep inside the head or heart, she always felt that the Peggy stops teasing Wanda Petronsky. But she was not having the guts to say, Peggy, stop all this nonsense. Okay, but she had deep into her mind and heart to make whatever activity. That is why whenever Peggy is saying, she never utters her voice. Okay, she is playing with the marble, she will say nothing to herself. You see the way she is, that she is not involving herself actively into the process in which Peggy is doing. She is more a person who is aloof at the time whenever Peggy does it. Madeline doesn't want, if she is opposing, then she is afraid that the next it will be her who will be teased by Peggy. So she did not want to take the risk. Okay, and she always wished Peggy stops troubling Wanda Petronsky. Is that clear? Yes. Now next let's see what happened. Yes. In what way Wanda was different from the other girls? In fact, it's not different. Her name was different because she is coming from what? She is coming from the Polish. She is the only Polish girl in the. Yes, she is the only Polish girl in the entire class. The entire class is mostly Americans and others, but her name was having the background of what? It's having the thing of Petronsky, that is that is why it is different. And another thing, she comes from the area that Boston Heights, usually poor people come, and she wears only the same dress every day. Okay. Yes, did Vanta really have, did Vanta have 100 dresses? What do you think she said she did? She said she had 100 dresses. Yes, that was not the dresses to wear. They are all on her imagination. Okay. Why is Maddie embraced by the questions Peggy asked Wanda? Is she really like Wanda or is she different? Almost Wanda and Peggy are similar. Only thing is Maddie is also economically poor, but not so poor as Wanda, and she doesn't live in Boston. Okay. Now, did you understand the answer for this? Shall we continue with the next paragraph? Yes. Yes. Today, even though they had been late to the school, Maddie was glad that she had not had to make fun of Wanda. She worked her arithmetic, problems absent-mindedly. 8 times 8. Let's see. She wished she had nerve to write Peggy a note, because she knew she would never have the courage to speak right out to Peggy to say, "Hey Peggy, let's stop asking Wanda how many dresses she has." When she finished her arithmetic, she did start a note to Peggy. Suddenly she paused and shuddered. She pictured herself in the schoolyard, a new target for Peggy and the girls. Peggy might ask her where she got the dress and she had on. Maddie would have to say it was one of Peggy's old ones that Maddie's mother had tried to disguise with. Okay, so all these things are there. Peggy's dresses, one of the dresses maybe new trimmings and so on in room 13 would recognize it. So these are the things that always happened to who? Maddie. She was doing arithmetic, but what happens in her mind? She is not bold enough. She did not have the courage to say, "Peggy, you stop all this nonsense of asking Wanda such questions and hurting her." Okay, because some of the dresses may be from Peggy itself. Her mother trims and makes some trimming and cuttings and trims and gives it to her, and all the children in room 13 would recognize it. So she always had that fear. Is that clear to you? Shall we continue? Yes. New trimming so that no one in room 13 would recognize it. So her mother makes some tailoring work in this, and so that people will not recognize it. If only Peggy would decide on her own accord to stop having fun with Wanda. Oh well, Maddie ran her hand on her short blonde hair as though to push the uncomfortable thought away. What difference did it make? Slowly Maddie tore into bits of notes and she started. She was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room. Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, she thought. So this is the issue. If she did not want to have any sort of misunderstanding or rivalry with Peggy, Maddie was very comfortable. It's very good friend of Peggy, and Peggy is a good friend of Maddie. But Peggy is also best liked girl. First, she is rich and she is also good in her studies. So she is not able to take any decisions to say that she shouldn't do like that. Okay, so she was little confused. Okay, she was confused. But she was very clear that whatever Peggy does to Wanda is wrong. She is clear in her thought. Okay, but only thing is she did not have the courage. She did not have the impulse to openly say, Peggy, stop this nonsense. Clear, children? Okay. Please read the remaining topics and come for the next class. I shall continue. Okay, children? Thank you.